5 easy Mediterranean dessert recipes, and 5 delicious, healthy choices for your diet. 1. Sweet and salty ricotta herb kale chips. Looking for an easy Mediterranean dessert recipe? This one is sure to please. It's a simple, yet delicious, sweet treat that's perfect for your diet. Made with just a few ingredients, this healthy choice is a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging. To make this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of pitted dates, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Simply blend all of the ingredients together in a food processor or blender until the mixture is smooth. Then, pour the mixture into an ice cube tray and freeze for several hours. Once frozen, pop out the testicles and enjoy. 2. Healthy coconut yogurt pops. These healthy coconut yogurt pops are a delicious and easy to make dessert that is perfect for your Mediterranean diet. They are made with Greek yogurt, which is high in protein and calcium. The yogurt is also a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial for your gut health. These pops are sweetened with honey and have a refreshing coconut flavor. To make these pops, simply combine Greek yogurt, honey, and shredded coconut in a blender or food processor. Then, spoon the mixture into popsicle molds and freeze for several hours. Once they are frozen, you can enjoy them as a healthy and delicious snack or dessert. 3. Cucumber and feta cheese dip with crackers recipe. Cucumbers are a great choice for a healthy, easy-to-make dessert. This cool and refreshing fruit is low in calories and high in water content. Cucumbers are also a good source of vitamin C and K. To make a cucumber dessert, simply slice cucumbers into thin slices and top with your favorite fruit sauce or yogurt. You can also add a little bit of honey or mint for extra flavor. If you want something a little more indulgent, try dipping cucumber slices in chocolate or covering them with whipped cream. Cucumbers are a delicious and healthy choice for an easy-to-make dessert. Their cool and refreshing flavor makes them perfect for a summer treat. So next time you're looking for an easy and healthy dessert recipe, give cucumbers a try. 4. Nutella and banana smoothie recipe. This delicious and healthy smoothie recipe is perfect for those on a Mediterranean diet. It only takes a few minutes to make and is packed with nutrients and flavor. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is important for maintaining a healthy heart. They also contain fiber and vitamin C. Nutella is a hazelnut spread that is low in sugar and high in healthy fats. It also contains vitamins and minerals such as iron and calcium. This smoothie is a great way to start your day or enjoy as a snack. 5. Dark chocolate truffles recipe. These dark chocolate truffles are a delicious and healthy dessert option for your Mediterranean diet. They are made with dark chocolate, which is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to improve heart health. The truffles are also coated in cocoa powder, which is a good source of fiber. To make the truffles, you will need -1 cup of dark chocolate chips, -1/4 cup of heavy cream, -1 tablespoon of butter, -1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Instructions. 1. Place the chocolate chips, cream, and butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat for 1 minute, or until the chocolate is melted. 2. Stir until the mixture is smooth. 3. Add the cocoa powder and stir until it is fully incorporated. 4. Place the mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes, or until it is firm enough to roll into balls. 5. Roll the mixture into balls, then place them on a plate lined with wax paper. 6. Place the plate in the fridge for 30 minutes, or until the truffles are firm. 7. Enjoy.